is the age of 10. He has been honored by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 6th grade, and he is all set to share his journey with us. Let us begin with the video first.
Your panel discussion is there. What time?
मास्टर विलास कुमार गुप्ता
मास्टर विलास कुमार गुप्ता प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किए जाएंगे।
नमस्ते।
नमस्कार माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी।
विलास कुमार गुप्ता।
मास्टर विलास कुमार गुप्ता
मास्टर विलास कुमार गुप्ता प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किए जाएंगे।
जालंधर से 11 साल के विधांश कुमार को जुड़ रहे हैं।
विधांशने कामगिरी के वो तरीके करके लंदन तक विधांश का नाम हुआ तो
उम्र छोटी लेकिन कारनामे बहुत बड़े। यहाँ से करते हैं जलंधर के विधांश गुप्ता।
ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ 12 ਸਾਲਾ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਵਿਨਾਸ਼ ਗੁਪਤਾ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਹਫ਼ਤੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 50 ਕੋਰਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਵਾਂ ਵਰਲਡ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਬਣਾਇਆ।
Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, then it doesn't matter. I got from that to just
We give him a big round of applause because he is the master, he is the best.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Are you all recharged?
Yes.
Full of energy?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm really excited to be here, and I'm here all because of Dr. Adipriya sir, and I owe a heartiest thanks to Dr. Adipriya for inviting me, for this kind invitation to be the keynote speaker here. So, as he mentioned, first of all, thank you very much, sir, for using such kind words for me. And as he mentioned that I am Vihansh Kumar Gupta. I am 13 years old and I belong to Jalandhar city. So, I am the CEO of Answer Propoder Private Limited, which I started just in the age of 10. And I'm running it as my own IT company right now. And I am also the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar awardee. So today I am here to share my life experiences with all of you. How did I become a programmer, a Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar awardee, a world record holder, national record holder? How did I get the spark to run my own IT company in a tender age, just in the age of 10 years? So today I am here to share all my thoughts as well to everyone, and especially the children of our nation, because they are the future, and I want to share the thoughts that how can they become an entrepreneur? Why should they be an entrepreneur, being a job provider and not a job seeker? Although it's not a bad thing to be doing a job, and I'm not against it, but still, if we take the goal as being an entrepreneur, so it's still better than that. Why? Because if we are an entrepreneur, we are free to travel anywhere. We don't have a boss on us, so we can just have our own thoughts. हम जो करना चाहते हैं हम वो कर सकते हैं being an entrepreneur. और मैं ये भी चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा कि हमारे मोस्टली यूथ इंडिया के अंदर उन सबका गोल क्या होता है कि हमने एक नौकरी लेनी है, एक जॉब लेनी है, एंड स्पेसिफिकली सरकारी नौकरी लेनी है, तो ये सबका गोल होता है. लेकिन अगर हम एक जॉब को अपना गोल बनाकर चलेंगे, So we can achieve it, but we can still get closer to it. But अगर हम जॉब को अपना गोल लेके चलेंगे, so we can still be like, अगर हम नीचे रह गए तो हमारे पास और कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं बचेगा. लेकिन अगर हम एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने का गोल लेकर चलें कि yes I want to be an entrepreneur, in that case अगर भगवान ना करे अगर नहीं भी बन सके, तो आपने अपनी जो जी जान लगाई थी, अपनी मेहनत लगाई थी अपनी कंपनी बनाने में, जो आपने स्किल सेट सीखा, एक तरह का स्किल नहीं, आपने मार्केटिंग भी सीखी, बिजनेस कैसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेट करते हैं वो भी सीखा, आपकी जो कंपनी थी जो उसका फील्ड था आपने उसके स्किल्स भी सीखे. तो आप ये अलग अलग स्किल्स के अंदर आप एटलीस्ट लाइक लिटरली चुटकियों के अंदर आप जॉब ले सकते हो. So you still have an alternative if you take being an entrepreneur as your goal. So that's what I wanted to convey. And let me begin from the story about how did I get the spark of like getting to know that how to code. So let me take you back to 2015 when I was just 5 years old, like literally this much. And at that time I used to watch the students who came to learn from my parents, since my parents are also IT professionals running their own IT company since 2008. So I used to watch them and I was literally surrounded by computers and techie people, and of course including my parents also. So the question that struck every time in my mind whenever I saw them is that what wonders they are doing with that laptop. They are creating websites, they are earning crores of rupees, they are having a good social marketing, they are having a good identity online. So I just had this thought all the time, and thus I had a bit interest and a spark. And I also started to code a little bit, and those who know, like the very basic is HTML. So I started from HTML, and my parents also saw the interest in me. And instead of saying कि चलो कोई बात नहीं अभी तो बच्चा है जो कर रहा है ठीक है कर रहा है, पर उन्होंने ऐसा ना सोचते हुए उन्होंने मेरे को ये स्किल को और सिखाया. They took a deep dive in it. उन्होंने मेरे को further और प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस सिखाई, and with the God's grace मेरे पास भी एक कैपेबिलिटी थी that मैं कोई भी चीज़ को जल्दी से ग्रास्प कर लेता था. तो उन्होंने मेरे को जो कुछ सिखाया मैंने वो सब कुछ सीखा, and आपने जो वीडियो देखी that's the result for everything I did. So now fast forward to 2019 when I was 9 years old. I was born in 2010, so it's easy for me to remember my age. 2015 is 5 years, 9 years, it's 2023, so I'm 13. So in 2019, I got my first achievement, and for what? So basically there was a project that came to my father. It was related to a school. So it was a government school, and I took interest in it, and I said that yeah, I can also make it, because at that time I was a full-stack developer. I could develop proper websites, e-commerce websites, etc. So I asked him that if I could contribute, so he said sure you can, because he knew that I can make the websites. So he gave me that project and I completed it, and instead of like getting any amount from them, we just donated this project to them. And after that, who are they all who know that when is the International Yoga Day? Raise your hands. What's the date? Yes, it's 21st June. So me and my father are also very interested in the yoga, and my father was also a yoga instructor when he was very young, in the like 16, maybe he was 16 years old. So he just had an interest. By profession, he is an IT professional. So I also thought to develop a website for the 21st June, and I named it 21stjune.com. And just almost a week before the International Yoga Day of 2019, my father shot all the pictures of me doing some certain yoga asanas and the Surya Namaskar, and then we uploaded it on the website so that we can give the awareness to people related to the International Yoga Day and why is it important to keep your body fit and healthy. And for these two websites and some other projects also, so I registered my name into India Book of Records and World Records India as the youngest web developer in the age of 9 years. Thank you. Now, after that, I joined my father's company in 2019 only. So my father's company is named as Sakar Micro Solutions Private Limited. So in that company I joined as the junior executive officer, as the JDO, and I took my first steps into the business world and got a nice exposure to the business industry and the IT industry as well. So I kept on working in his company and I started to work on the commercial projects as well, because till the age of 9 I was just doing my own certain local projects and I was not working on the commercial ones. But later I started working on the commercial ones as well, and being an entrepreneur now, I was invited to Sweden by the IBNC, the International Business Networking Consortium, and I was invited there as the youngest entrepreneur. I was awarded there as the youngest entrepreneur in 2019 only. And here's a fun fact that the event I am talking about, IBNC, it allowed only people above the age of 18. Because the entrepreneur, they had the perception that above 18 we allow, but I was just half the age of eligibility and I was still invited there properly. I got the invitation from IBNC and I was there awarded as the youngest entrepreneur. Now, I kept on working in my father's company till then, until 2020, and something happened in everyone's life. What? It was COVID. The COVID struck into everyone's life, and there was lockdowns and things going on. Let's not recall it, but yeah, still it was a major effect in everyone's life. So at that time, like, I was also a bit tense about my journey. कि बस इतना ही खत्म हो गया कि अभी मेरे को literally like not even more than 6 to 7 months I just began my journey properly. I got some achievements, the authentication, and I felt that is it over, is this the end? But then I realized something, that no, the skills I have learned, programming, I can implement them in COVID and I can avail people. And taking this idea, I developed a portal which was coronafreeworld.com, and because I just saw the people panicking, like एक जोक भी बड़ा वायरल हुआ था उस टाइम पे कि लोग कोविड के डर से चीनी के घर पे धोकर उसके बाद उसको यूज कर रहे हैं. तो लोगों को तब इतना डर बैठ गया था कोविड का कि पता नहीं ऐसा क्या है. बस था कुछ, लोगों को ये था कुछ है, पता नहीं क्या है पर कुछ है, कैसे बचना है वो भी नहीं पता, बस मास्क लगा लो, थोड़ी दूरी बना लो, जैसे. पर मैंने सोचा कि अगर एक बच्चा उनको कुछ बताएगा, सरकारें बता रही थी, लोग बता रहे थे मास्क लगाओ, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, पर हमारे लोगों का क्या था, छठ पड़ा है, इनको क्या है, भूल ही जाएंगे. तो मैंने सोचा कि बीइंग अ चाइल्ड अगर मैं उनको मैसेज डिलीवर कर सकूं कि हाँ कोई ये चीज़ करनी ज़रूरी है, तो मैंने ये आइडिया को लेकर मैंने coronafreeworld.com पोर्टल को लॉन्च किया था बाय होल्डिंग अ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस इन जलंधर प्रेस क्लब just 2 days before the Janata Curfew, which was the beginning of the long lockdown. So just 2 days before it, I held the press conference, and fortunately, we also connected with some doctors. Some doctors contacted us from across the nation, like beginning from Delhi, like from AIIMS, Safdar, etc. So there were many huge hospitals. So we contacted them, and then we also embedded a telemedicine number in the website, so that people can call it and they can get the advice, the telemedicine advice, because at that time it was made legal, although it is illegal for the telemedicine services. So at that time it was legal, and we just embedded it as the telemedicine number over there, which was an IVR number. So many people got help from the Corona Free World portal as well. And after that, I was keen to know more about COVID, because it was a lot of things. We just thought that it's a virus, it's COVID-19, began from China. We were just having many assumptions, many accusations on China. Although it is true, but still, like, I wanted to learn more about it, about the precautions. So I also enrolled for some WHO courses, and I have got 4 certificates from WHO as the certified. And after that, those who are from Punjab, like most of us, so we know that the Mission Fateh was also initiated by Captain Amrinder Singh to fight against Corona, and the slogan was that Punjab fight against Corona. And I got to know about it when the song was released, कि फतेह हो पंजाबी हुन फतेह होगी. तो ये song को मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड मैंने सोचा that I can contribute something in the Mission Fateh as well. If the government is trying to do something great for the society, for the wellness, the welfare of society, so I thought that why cannot I contribute in it? And thus I did contribute, and I developed a portal missionfateh.com, and they had 11 precautions in this mission. So I created each single video for each the 11 of the precautions. And one was the compilation, or you can say the summary of Mission Fateh, what is it about. So I embedded it in the website, and all the possible information I could put on the website on a single platform I did, and everything I learned from the WHO also, I just tried to embed everything in it. And I launched it, and for that the Captain Amrinder Singh sir also sent me a letter, a personal letter to me for appreciating that whatever I had done in the Mission Fateh, and I was the only one in like across the nation, across the world, the only one certified by the Mission Fateh as well. Now, it's time for diving into some entrepreneurship. So I began my company in 2020, August 2020, which was named Entrepreneur Coder, a combination of being an entrepreneur and a professional coder. So the aim of my company, like the first slogan, which was coding kids to entrepreneur, and we had the aim to make the children first learn coding, a great skill, and then make them an entrepreneur. So that was the main aim of our company. And the reason behind like why children, most of the times we are like youth will do this, will do that, youth is the future, etc. Many things. So what my idea was that if we tell or guide the children to go to the path of entrepreneurship, then they can easily do it. Because there is no age constraint in being an entrepreneur, you can be in a young age also. So at that time I had this idea, and we launched the website of my company and everything, and we started teaching children. Because if we talk about youth, हम सोचते हैं कि youth हमारे देश का future है बिल्कुल है, पर उनके पास अपनी टेंशनें बहुत हैं। टेंशनें कौन सी हैं? अपनी अटेंडेंस, मैरिज, कॉलेज, टीचर्स को खुश रखना है, प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल से बहुत डर लगता है, तो बहुत सारी टेंशन है, पेरेंटल प्रेशर, जो रिलेटिव्स हैं उन पे प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं, रैंक अच्छी लेकर आनी है, परसेंटेज वगैरह वगैरह, बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है उनके पास प्रॉब्लम्स की। लेकिन बच्चे, उनके पास क्या है? स्कूल की असाइनमेंट्स हैं, क्लासेस हैं, स्कूल जाना है, ट्यूशन है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, वो भी ऑप्शनल है ट्यूशन, कहीं जाते हैं कहीं नहीं जाते, तो बस इतना सही है। और उनके पास दे आर फ्री, they can either be involved into some sports or any other dance, music, etc. So why not programming? Because Mark Zuckerberg also said that every person on earth should at least learn one programming language. क्योंकि प्रोग्रामिंग एक ऐसा स्किल है कि किसी को किसी भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि हर बंदे की अपनी अपनी प्रॉब्लम होती है। एक रिक्शा वाला है, उसको अपनी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है, उसको अपनी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, कोई किराने की दुकान चला रहा है, उसको अपनी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। तो अगर हमारे पास एक स्किल होगा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, तो हम उस प्रॉब्लम को हम उसको सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग। बिकॉज फ्यूचर इज एआई, फ्यूचर इज टेक्नोलॉजी, फ्यूचर इज द प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस राइट नाउ, जो हम आज देख रहे हैं, ज्यूम कर रहे हैं, एंड हम देख पा रहे हैं कि यस, इट इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ आवर नेशन, नॉट द नेशन बट द होल वर्ल्ड। एंड बीइंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, हमारी एक ड्यूटी भी होती है, क्या? हम सबको पता है, हम सब एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को, कि यस, फर्स्ट ड्यूटी है कि हम अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करें, हम उसको टाइम दें, हम उसको एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे, नेशनल से शुरू के इंटरनेशनल के ऊपर लेकर जाएं, हम उसके लिए फंडिंग कलेक्ट करें, एक्सेट्रा, बहुत कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं। लेकिन हमारी जो सेकेंड ड्यूटी होती है हर एक एंटरप्रेन्योर की, वो होती है टू गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी। सोसाइटी ने जिस उस कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट्स बाय कर उस कंपनी को इतने ऊपर लेवल तक लेके गए, तो उस सोसाइटी को भी तो कुछ वापस देना है ना, हमने कुछ सोशल वर्क भी करना है। एंड इसी वजह से मैं तो चलो स्टार्टिंग से ही, मेरी तो जर्नी उल्टी शुरू हुई, मैं सोशल वर्क करता गया एंड मैंने उसके बाद अपनी कंपनी शुरू की। पर एक हर एंटरप्रेन्योर की ये एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि हम अपनी सोसाइटी को कुछ वापस दे सकें। और अगर हम सोसाइटी की भी प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट के थ्रू, अपनी कंपनी के थ्रू, तो समझिए लाइक द वर्क ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर इज ऑलमोस्ट डन, बट स्टिल वी कैन डू मेनी मोर थिंग्स फॉर आवर सोसाइटी बीइंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. And for everything I did in the COVID, I was also like my name also registered in the World Book of Records as the youngest Corona warrior. And here comes the biggest achievement of my life. जैसे आपने देखा वीडियो के अंदर जो क्लिप थी कि मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से बात कर रहा हूँ, so it was basically when I got this prestigious award, the honor of the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2022, which is the highest civilian award for children. जैसे भारत रत्न होता है उससे नीचे पद्म विभूषण, फिर पद्म भूषण, देन पद्मश्री, उसी तरीके से बच्चों की कैटेगरी के अंदर प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है, इक्विवेलेंट टू भारत रत्न फॉर चिल्ड्रन. So I was honored with that in 2020. And 29 children were selected out of 1.5 lakh applications, and I am lucky to be one of them. And I was also selected out of 29, 6 were selected to talk to the PM sir, and I was one of them. And we just got to know 10 minutes before he was going to join, because it was virtual due to COVID, so I could not meet him. Otherwise, I would have met him, and you had seen the photo of me standing with the PM sir. But still, like talking to him is a big thing, right? So I got this opportunity to talk to him, and I'm really thankful to PM sir as well, because he is making many things which can encourage people, like even the MSME also. So they are here to encourage, they are here to motivate the entrepreneurs, the startups. And the same way the PM sir has the awards, and also it was a huge motivation for me to do more things for the society. And Punjab elections were also approaching, so since it's the time constraints, I will just keep it a little short. So the Punjab elections were also approaching 2022. We all know what happened. So before that, I was also connected to the democracy. And basically, I was connected to the politics. Why? Because my father in 2018 launched 545 individual portals for each and every member of Parliament of India, so that the people could connect to the member of Parliament. And he registered his name into 5 different books for the records. And the major highlights are the Limca Book of Records, Asia Book of Records, etc. So he was a motivation for me कि अगर मेरे father इतने records बना रहे हैं, मेरे को actually introduction ही वहीं से हुई कि records नाम की भी कोई चीज़ होती है, तो मेरे लिए भी एक motivation थी कि हाँ मैं भी records बनाऊँ, मैं भी कुछ करूँ अपनी life के अंदर, पापा से सीख कर मैं कुछ आगे कर सकता हूँ, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी. और आई एम लकी कि मेरे को कंट्रीब्यूट करने का मौका मिला सोसाइटी के अंदर, मैं सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ कर सका. And COVID was also a great thing. Like COVID was not a great thing, but everything I did was definitely good for me as the contribution. And after that, finally, COVID came to an end, and I started my regular schooling. And I was very keen to learn more and more things related to my technology, my field. So I was introduced to the LinkedIn Learning platform at that time. And I enrolled for some courses out of my curiosity for the programming languages and the different technologies also. And पता ही नहीं चला कब मैं इतने शौक के अंदर मैंने एक हफ्ते के अंदर I completed 50 courses from LinkedIn Learning, and I also set another world record in the exclusive world records book. Thank you. And there are some other prestigious awards also I got, like the Bharat Gaurav Samman 2022 from none other than Anand sir, Anand Kumar sir. Everyone knows him, right? शायद आपको आनंद कुमार सर बाय फेस ना जानते हो, पर सुपर 30 आपने जरूर सुना होगा. एक मूवी भी रिलीज हुई थी ऋतिक रोशन जी की, तो आप आनंद सर को ऋतिक रोशन सर के साथ जरूर जानते होंगे. पर वो जो पिक्चर थी यहाँ पे, so he was the original Anand sir, and I met him and I got his award. And I also got the Indian CSR award from Dr. Kiran Bedi ma'am and Rajat Sharma sir. Who doesn't know Rajat Sharma sir? Like आपकी अदालत हम मैं तो शुरू से बचपन से ही सुनता आ रहा हूँ आपकी अदालत के अंदर मल्टीपल बहुत बड़ी बड़ी डिग्निटरीज को बुलाते हैं, उनके ऊपर लिटरली खुले आम में एक्यूजेशन लगाते हैं, आप ये एक्यूजेशन है ऐसे वैसे, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स. And I was also awarded by City institution in Jalandhar, which was the City Excellence Award. So उनको 25 years की जिंदगी थी, तो उस टाइम मेरे को अवार्ड मिला था by Gurpreet Kugi ji, a Punjabi actor, and it was also a great achievement for me. And recently in April 2023, I was invited to IIT Madras to deliver a speech. And because I also completed a course from IIT Madras just in the age of 12 years related to blockchain technology, and I completed it successfully, and I went there to address people in the IIT Madras. So it was a huge achievement for me because we know IITs are the cream of all the institutions. So it was a big achievement for me. And for everything I did, I am thankful to the God because सब कुछ भगवान के हाथ में ही है. भगवान ने मेरे को इतना कैपेबल बनाया कि मैं ये सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ, सीख सकता हूँ. एंड देन माय पेरेंट्स, जिन्होंने मुझे ये सब कुछ सिखाया, वो एक माध्यम बने फ्रॉम गॉड टू मी, कि उन्होंने मेरे को सब कुछ सिखाया. जो भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस है, मैं आज यहाँ पर हूँ तो मैं अपने पेरेंट्स की वजह से और गॉड की वजह से हूँ. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, ऑल द वेल विशर्स, जिनकी वजह से मैं हमेशा मोटिवेटेड रहता हूँ. और आप सबका भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद कि आपने मेरे को सुना. एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड अ स्मॉल मैसेज आई वांट टू कन्वे टू द नॉट जस्ट द यूथ बट टू द चिल्ड्रन एज वेल, कि आपने शायद वीडियो में भी देखा कि पंजाबी के अंदर मैंने बोला था, हाँ मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा, कि बड़े आपको पूछते हैं कि आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहोगे. उनको सिर्फ एक जवाब दीजिए कि अंकल आंटी जो भी हैं, कि बड़े होकर क्यों, अभी क्यों नहीं. अभी हमारे पास इतना शार्प ब्रेन है, वी आर एट द पीक ऑफ ब्रेन प्रोसेसिंग. सो इफ वी ट्राई टू लर्न एनीथिंग राइट नाउ इन दिस टेंडर एज, लाइक 5 से 15 वाला जो एज ग्रुप है, अगर हम उसके अंदर कुछ सीखना चाहें, जब हमारी सेंसेस भी काम कर रही होती हैं, क्योंकि 5 से नीचे वाले को प्रोग्रामिंग सिखाओगे तो शायद थोड़ा मुश्किल पड़ जाएगा, पर फिर भी अगर हम उनको सिखाएंगे तो वो जरूर उसको ग्रैस्प करके वो बहुत ऊपर तक जा सकते हैं. एंड एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर, वो कोई बैरियर नहीं है जिसको आप क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है ना, जैसे टोल टैक्स होता है, पैसे दो आप वहाँ पे क्रॉस कर दोगे. यहाँ पे पैसे की भी जरूरत नहीं है, बस एक चाह होनी चाहिए. वेयर देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे. तो बस एक विल पावर होनी बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हो तो आप अंदर चाह होनी चाहिए. भगवान आपके लिए राह तो बना ही देगा. So it was a pleasure to be here, and I am again thankful to Dr. Adipriya sir and to all of you. So thank you very much.
So after listening to Master Midansh, I truly believe he is a master because he is an inspiration to us all. That anything is possible, and it can be. It doesn't matter what age are you of or what are you doing. You can just change in an instant. So I would now request the honorable management to please come and facilitate him. Can we have a big round of applause? I think we all are here, right? We should appreciate him.